bad.
Crap everywhere. I need to clean this cab, this sleeper. That nabbit, dude. Where are my socks? There are my socks. Ugh. Yes, this is how I basically have a computer. I have this freaking lunch table, and then all these wires underneath the table because, you know, I gotta record and edit and all this other stuff. I know, it looks like a rat's nest. That's because it is. No, not physically, not literally, okay? It's a metaphor. Alright, now to get through here, I gotta freaking climb like a jungle gym. I almost forgot my phone. What pump is this? 19. 19, man. Truck number 602. Look at that. Freaking mud, man. What? Restriction fail. Product limits 0. What do you mean? Is it not? It's not. Fudge. Dang it, I need to call them.
I want you to get it treated and go ahead and top everything off.
Okay.
Because the shit that you're going to be running into, I don't know how far you're going to get. Because the temps are going to be down in the single digits. So get your fuel treated before you put your fuel in and go ahead and top it off there, okay?
Okay. I'll do that now. We're going into the treacherous snow. The treacherous snow. Okay, we're going to treat the fuel on both sides. Because that's pretty important. What did I do with my gloves? You put it in the passenger seat, you doofus. It's freaking cold. So if you're wondering what this is, this stuff keeps the fuel from freezing. You don't want it to freeze. That would be a very, very bad day. Upset because it's spilling. I guess this is what I gotta do to get it in there. Hopefully. How am I supposed to treat the fuel if that's fine, I guess. That's fine for now. May as well check everything while I'm here. Stay coolant. It's doing it again. They didn't fix this at all. I thought they did. Look at that steam. It's fine if it drips. Just a little dribble. Okay. Ow. Good, 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 good. 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 We're good. On that side. Other side, I have no clue. Should be fine. I did check this yesterday. Still good. Come on, death cat, get off. Thank you. Go. Okay. Sadly, we're not done. Oh, it is cold. It's so cold. I need to go on off duty. I sat way too long and on duty for all of that. 33 freaking degrees with the wind blowing is terrible. I was gonna do my tandems, but I'll do that after, I guess. Warm up my little fingers. Round 2. Final round. Fight! That goes up. This goes in the hole. That's what she said. Come on, we don't have time for this. Hurry up and get in there. That's also what she said. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a terrific day. We are doing another vlog, but this time it is a day in the life of my trekking status, I guess. It's gonna snow. It's supposed to have freezing ice and snow and just like chaos, because I'm going from Liberal, Kansas all the way over to North Baltimore, Ohio. So we got some trekking to do. And it's gonna be some fun times in the snow and everything else. But I'm going to get rolling. Hope you guys enjoyed the little intro. That's basically me doing what I need to do in the cold, freezing my fingers off. Not physically, but metaphorically, obviously. Otherwise I wouldn't have these pinkies. But we're gonna go this way. You know what I forgot to do? Wipe my mirrors. Probably should do that. Probably should definitely do that because it's kind of freezing. I don't know what this guy's doing. Where are you going, bro? And then here comes Jethro just like flying through because he's in a rush. I don't know where you're going, bro. I'm just gonna go this way. It's always the truck stops, man, where chaos ensues. Every time. Every time. There's someone already at the way thing. Dang it. Thankfully, it wipes clean. It's a little better. It's a lot better, actually. And this one's actually kind of frozen solid. Yep, not gonna be able to do anything with that. Maybe do this. With my freaking nails, man. It is what it is. Come on, app. Thank you. Why are the steers 120 pounds over? Screw it. We'll burn off fuel. It's okay. We'll burn it off. But that's crazy. I'm not moving this again. Everything else is perfect. Don't get sucked into Instagram. We gotta go. Yeah, that's a fleet message. But, yeah, we...
highlighted route.
Hello. Sorry, excuse me. Appreciate it, broski. Appreciate it. But, we are headed to North Baltimore, Ohio. We gotta cross state lines from Kansas through Missouri, through Indiana, to Ohio. So it's gonna be very fun. He's turning in. I'm gonna give you
on the current road.
as much room as possible, buddy. Thank you very much for not teaching me. That's a RV trailer. Come on. I couldn't see you behind the guy. My bad. Alright. Thank you. He's got his thing up. What the hell? How do you have your thing up, bro? Scared of people seeing you on camera? I guess so. Yeah, we're headed to Ohio and it's already super foggy, so this is gonna be fun. I like driving in difficult conditions because it kind of puts me on edge. Not like bad edge, but like kind of like fun edge, like when I'm racing. So it's fun to drive in the snow and the wet and the rain. Like I love doing all that stuff. I've done that since I was a teenager with my first car in a parking lot in the snow doing car control because it was just fun. Very, very fun. But yep, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this editing wise. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Definitely hit that like button if you are enjoying it, and subscribe if you're new for more vlogs, just more content in general. I'm trying to, you know, help myself work and do vlogging or footage at the same time. That way, like, I have a little bit more time to edit and less time to, or I guess more time to edit, more time to do other videos and record and be okay. But it really depends on everything, really. Everything that I gotta do, but I know for a fact that my lights are not on. You need your lights in the fog, otherwise it's not good. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be going back and forth between driving and not driving, and just doing kind of a little montage here and there, experimenting basically. And my vlogs will be first person because you guys don't deserve to look at this beautiful face. I mean, You guys see my beautiful face on my Instagram if you're following me. So, yeah, follow me on socials. A lot of you guys are not following me on socials, so you should definitely follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. Twitter, I'm not on too much, but follow me there too, and TikTok. You're obviously here on YouTube, so why not join the club on the other side, on the dark side of the short form videos. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna keep on driving here. I don't know if you can tell, but there's already like a little bit of ice forming, and it's a good thing. This entire truck right now weighs 75,000 pounds. Or actually, it'll be more than that because I just fueled up. So we got weight to stay on the road. We just gotta not do anything stupid. So that's the plan. But I'm just gonna keep driving, and I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog. Why is this car being a pain in the butt, man? It was just doing 60. It changed to 4 lanes instead of just 2. And now you want to speed up because you see I'm trying to pass you. Why do people do this? Why? Why are you being butthead? For no reason. If you want to go slow, go slow. If you want to speed up, speed up. People annoy me, man. It's stuff like this that just, I don't understand. And then you're gonna be, yeah, you're gonna watch. You're gonna slow down again, aren't you? Of course you are. Of course you're gonna slow down after doing 70. You're gonna slow down to slower than 65. Go! What are you doing? This is so stupid. If you guys could even see, but the pickup truck that was in front of me, which is ahead of this guy, had to slow down to 55 miles an hour because they were going so slow. And now they're doing it again. If you're gonna go slow consistently. If you're gonna speed up consistently. Keep a consistent pace, people. I don't understand it. Don't be a Dumbo, okay? Don't be a Dumbo. Be consistent with your speed. If you can be consistent with your speed, everyone else will be happy. We don't care if you go slow. We don't care if you go fast. We just want you to be consistent. Don't be the, I'm gonna slow down to 55 because I'm scared. Oh, he's trying to pass me. Let me speed up to 72. Okay, it's coming back to a 2-lane. Let me slow back down again. No, don't do that. That's so annoying to truck drivers. So annoying. So please, for the love of God, do not be wishy-washy with your speed, guys. Obviously, obey the laws of the land. But don't be inconsistent. Please. Please, please, please. And ice is freezing on the back side of my mirror. On both sides. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's there. It's definitely there. The ice has arrived. It's actually been pretty icy for the past, like, I want to say 3 hours-ish. But we're about to get on Highway 35 now, and
at the roundabout, take the second exit to Highway 50 to connector.
Get done with this 2-lane state highway BS. anyone who thinks that you can't heel toe in a truck because it's double clutching and no synchros, you can definitely double clutch and rev match at the same time. It just takes a little bit of finesse and you'll be fine. Also, every single one of these windows, man, is freaking almost iced up, which is not good.
Ramp on the right to I-35 north.
That cleared up the right one, but not the left side completely. So that's great. Highway 35. The life of a trucker, man. The life of a trucker. I'll meet you guys at the truck stop where I'm going to do my 30-minute break and then continue on, and then I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Since it is ice, kind of everywhere, you do not want to be coming in here hot. And you want to use J-brake, but not a lot of J-brake. What am I saying? I am saying be careful in these conditions, because it can get crazy. Instead of there. Oh, nope. All these spots are taken. Of course they are. So what am I gonna have to do? For one, I need to get out of drive because I'm wasting time. But I'm just gonna park right here next to these guys who are clearly super lazy and do not want to back up. Even though it's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. I mean, maybe they wanted to see land in front of them and not... Oh my god, it's cold. Okay. Watch that and watch this. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race of the trucking industry. And get under. I'm off. I'll go forward a little bit. Don't kick the truck clutch. Chill out. And I can barely freaking see because of the windows being... Yeah, I'm really like over to the left here, which is not ideal. Should be okay though. Yeah, we're okay. We got it. We got it. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. That is how you gotta do, what is that, a 45? It's kind of like a 45, I would say. Oh. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. Don't know what I just did, but I'm happy. Now it's time to work out, possibly nap a little bit, and eat some food. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog of the day. This is my first vlog on the camera that I just bought recently, that you guys have been seeing my racing finals, warm-ups, all that stuff in Daytona, which was a blast. Super awesome. Definitely going back to do it next year. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. If you did like this, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and share this with your friends and family. And as always, drive safe, be smart, most of all, have fun. God bless, take care, and I will see you in the next video. So this is fun. We're all stopped on the roadway. Should have taken the exit before I got to this. Go off duty. He said duty. Yes, he did. So, just red. Red the entire freaking way. Great.